Hello, friend. So here we are, fourth quarter, moving to the 34th gate, the gate of power and the power of the great. So here we are. This 34th gate sits in the Sacral Center. And here's something really interesting, is that the power of this gate isn't available to anybody else. It's to be used for you if you have it defined. You're using it for you. It's, powering yourself. There's this power to be me within this gate. It's asexual. There's this unconditional power. So here's what's really interesting is that I have the 3420. I can feel this power. And when I moved into action, there is basically like nothing holding me back. Now, here's what's really fun though, is that I don't have the 57th gate. The 57th gate kind of gives this 3420 an awareness, right? Sits in the spleen, the spleen's an awareness, gives it this, intuitive awareness. And without it, the 3420 can become, as they would say in human design speak, an out of control freight train. And I have definitely witnessed that in my life as well. When there's momentum, good, bad, or otherwise, there's movement and I'm going. So the 34 is a very potent energy, and it's an impressive source of energy that empowers us toward individuation, displaying and celebrating our uniqueness. This gate is definitely not about conformity. So if it's connected to the 10, so if you have the 3410, again, that channel is, that, living life to your own convictions. So if connected to the 10, your energy will be focused on social behaviors or roles that support your strong convictions. If connected to the 20th gate, and that's what I have, your power will be resolved to act on your own behalf and to turn your thoughts into deeds and to express your ability to manifest and thrive. I get very, very caught up in being me. The 3420 is very, very self-absorbed. And I get very caught up in being me. Now, of course, depending on your design, you might not, you may not feel this as strongly as I do. If you have lots of tribal circuitry and your profile, your profile is not a 1-3, there's a chance that you don't feel quite as caught up in yourself as I do. Like I said, I can spend days by myself and quite enjoy it. So if the 34 is actually connected over here to the 57, your intuition will empower your ability to hear what you need to survive perfectly in every moment. Geez, my spelling has got pretty crazy here. So it's interesting to watch how this 34th gate can, there's 3 different channels for it to express, or the potential for it to move out of that 34th gate. It is powerful. So if this is part of your design, know the power behind this, and people want that power, and it isn't available to everybody. So, here again is my Sacral Center. And the resources, my whole adult life I've been fortunate. My husband and I have worked very hard, and I'm not going to say that we are, filthy, dirty rich. We're not. We have abundance because that's our mindset. Now, abundance for me and abundance for you looks completely different. But we worked for that. And it is so interesting to watch how people that come into our lives are very jealous of that. And they want those resources. They want those resources. Numerous times we've had people want to, bring their cows here and have us, rent. They want to rent from us and they want to build their herd. And it's like, yeah, I can help you out, but I can't build your herd because then I can't build my own herd. They want a piece of our action. And, service to others for sure. Here I am doing a YouTube channel, lots of free information. Service to others is important. However, when I look at my design, I look at my husband's design, we also have to take care and know where our resources are being spent. Where's our energy being spent? And people see this 34th gate in me and they want it. They want it. They want my energy. And I cannot give that to them because it is, it's unavailable to other people. So be aware if you have that, just watch it in your design. See how this synthesizes into your reality. I know how it synthesizes into mine. So the not self, of course, this 34th gate, it's gonna try that not self mind will try to push you past your limits all the time. Push you past your limits of energy all the time. So just be aware. Again, this is my design, and you see here the 3420. So when you look at each one of your gates, look at each line. And if you have the pleasure of having the advanced Maya mechanics, you can look at your primary health system, your reef psychology, and you get to see depths and layers of yourself that they're fascinating. So if there's anything that I can do for you as a coach or do a reading, let me know. If not, enjoy the video. Thanks.